Hello, my sewing friends. This is Friday Sews. I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room. Haven't been in here a lot this week, but let me tell you about what I did get done, and then I'll tell you why I haven't been in here. First of all, thank you so much for all the comments that you offered on the video that I did with my two daughters, Jenna and Michaela, about crochet. I know it wasn't about sewing. I just love them, and they create these intricate, beautiful things that I really wanted to share with you. So I have one more video, which is an interview with my daughter Emma, and that will be all about pottery. So I'll try and tag that in the video title, just so you know you can skip it if you're not interested, because it's not sewing, and pretty much most of you show up for the sewing. Okay, speaking of the sewing, the one thing I did get cut out this week was the Garnet cardigan, and this is a free pattern from Mood, the Mood Society, SEW Society. And they do not have the best instructions, and I changed it up a little bit from the get-go. For the front band of this cardigan, it's just a cardigan, you know, and then it's got the front band that comes down. It's cut in one big rectangle, and I thought the front pieces of the cardigan are shaped. So immediately I thought, oh no, we're not doing a straight piece. We're going to shape the cardigan. So I created a front band for that. I did this I cut it out of a white knit that I'm pretty sure is from one of those Walmart bundles. It looks like this on the right side, and it looks like this on the wrong side. So it's looped on the wrong side, kind of. I'm not even sure what you would call this. I mean, I'm tempted to call it French terry, but I'm not even sure that that's what it is. So I don't know. You know what? It'll be fine. It's kind of a muslin. If I really like this pattern, then I will do more with it. But the important thing is that I like it because of all the tucks that you put at the bottom and at the sleeves instead of putting ribbing or something like ribbing. Okay, so that was basically all the sewing I got done. Yeah, that was it. And that was just cutting something out. I just didn't have time because I was working on other things in my house. But early in the week, I had time to go thrifting with my wonderful friend, Michelle from Michelle Sews Again. I talk about her a lot on this channel, don't I? It's because she's wonderful and I love her to pieces. Well, she and I are going to do a collab, so that's coming up, and it's all about thrifting. And so what we did was chose kind of an inspiration photo. Actually, for me, it's two photos because one of her make 9 things is to do a faux jumpsuit. Now, I am not a fan of jumpsuits for the sole reason, they're hard to get in and out of. And I'm just too old for that nonsense. But I love the idea of a faux jumpsuit. And in fact, that kind of plays into this week's topic, which is what's something that you want to tackle in 2022 that's a big deal. Well, I've had trouble getting pants to fit, so I think making a faux jumpsuit is going to be a bit of a challenge because I have to fit pants and then get a top that looks good with the pants. My idea is that I want a big statement sleeve, but I don't want it too big because I want wide leg pants and I don't want the sleeve to compete with the pants. I do want the top to be fairly close fitting so that it looks like a faux jumpsuit. It looks like one piece. So with that in mind, she and I went over to Goodwill, and oh, the stuff we found. I have to show you. Okay. So first off, I didn't shop for just this collab, but first off, I found a dust ruffle. Who knew? Okay, first of all, the top platform part of the dust ruffle is great for lining because it's very thin, it's very loosely woven. You could probably make a lot of things out of this, but I'm just thinking lining and, lining, maybe a muslin. I don't know. It's the size of, I think, a queen size bed. Oh, wait. Well, the thing about that the dust ruffle is that it had this beautiful eyelet lace on the bottom. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, the stuff I could do with this. I could put it at the bottom of a skirt. I can use it in a nightgown for my daughter Emma, who really is completely, well, she has fallen in love with the whole Victorian nightgown thing. So I thought, yes, this is perfect for that. So got that. I got a couple of shower curtains. Let's see, this one, which actually this is my shower curtain in my master bathroom, but it is kind of a waffle weave. It's polyester and it tends to want to snag and pull. So I don't know what I'll do with this. I doubt it will be anything, you know, that I want to wear all the time, just because, I don't know. I don't want something that I have to be so careful about, you know? So I'm not sure what I'll do with this. So I don't know. Maybe I'll use it for that. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I found this. Now this I've got to unwrap because I got to show it to you. I don't know what it is. If it's it's a shower curtain. Now I'm looking at you know, what is it with me and shower curtains? Well, it's got buttons, but I got it for Emma because Emma is a huge Star Wars fan. Look at this. Look at this. We've got Luke. We've got the logo. We've got Darth Vader and C-3PO and a battle with X-Wing fighters and R2-D2, who, by the way, is my favorite. And do we have any TIE fighters in that one? No, I don't see any. Oh, at the bottom are the well, yeah, those are TIE fighters. The little round ones with these are TIE fighters. And then the ones that look like that are X-Wing. Okay. Oh my gosh. I said, Emma, full circle skirt. I'll definitely do that. And she's like, oh, that is going to be so great. So yeah, that was good. This is a microfiber sheet. I just like the colors and the design, you know. Honestly, what I was thinking while I was picking things out was microfiber sheets. So that's that. I know. I was thinking full circle skirts. Sorry, my brain. Found this. This I just thought would be such a pretty nightgown. So actually it would match with that eyelet lace, which I could get if I hadn't thrown it over there. This is beautiful. I think this is another shower curtain. I'm not sure, but I loved the colors and I loved the plaid. And I especially like the plaid because if I do use this for a circle skirt, a lot of that plaid will go this way. And I thought, yeah, that'd be nice. So I got that one. This is a shower curtain because I cut off the grommets because look at this. I'm not even sure what I could use this for, but I bet you I could use it for something cool on a dress or a jacket or something. So I liked the colors. The colors are great for my kids. Once again, it would do that if I were gonna make a circle skirt out of it. And it's a great weight for that. It's very much of a lightweight home deck, but I don't know. It's more like a twill. It's got a twill weave, I guess. I don't know if you can see how it's got that weave going like that. I don't know. I think I know what fabrics are, and then I find out there's something completely different. Last one is a waffle weave shower curtain. I'm pretty sure these are all shower curtains. Although I think this is curtain panels. I don't know. Can't remember. But this is a shower curtain because it's got the little tiny grommets, which I cut off. Waffle weave, lightweight, does not snag like that polyester one. Because this, although it might have some polyester in it, I think it has some cotton in it too. So nice color. Actually, it would go with this really nicely. Yeah, so we'll see. Ooh, there they go. Let's see. I think that's it on the sewing front. Now on the life front, I've got a couple of quick things to tell you. I needed to get rid of some furniture in my garage. Hopefully there's a guy coming over tonight who will buy it. I hope so. Because, you know, I walk out in that garage and I can't find anything. And everything you want, where I know where it is, I've got to like be a contortionist to get around. I don't know, your garage might be similar. Well, I was just done with that. Mark was going to put away all the Christmas stuff, and I said, I'm done. I'm done with this garage. So I went out there, and man, I got ruthless. I was ruthless. We had stuff out there, blankets from when the girls were little bitty things. I had stuffed animals from then. I just don't need all that stuff in my garage. So going through the stuffed animals, I found a couple of treasures. I can't believe I found these, but I'm going to have to just put these somewhere here in the sewing room because there's no way, if I've kept them this many years, I'm not getting rid of them at this point. I found this. This is just a little dog, and I think I made this when I was about 13. I'm not sure, but I was kind of on a stuffed animal kick for a little while there when I first learned to sew. So I was maybe 13 or 14, but I can't believe that this has held together for that many years. I mean, the buttons and the felt are starting to come off. I don't have any clue what kind of a pattern this was, but even the stuffing is still good. You know, when they've been in storage like they are, they kind of start to smell bad. So I went and I washed everything, and it lasted through the wash. Now, I didn't throw it in the dryer, obviously. So, gosh, I can't believe that. Look at this fabric. It's a poly cotton, just like a quilting calico. But, wow, I really am astounded that it's still in one piece. So that'll have to go somewhere. I'm not sure where. And this, I couldn't believe that I still have this. This is one of those panels that you could buy. It's a panel. It's a fabric panel. And you cut out around it, and the instructions were on the fabric. And you cut out around it, and then you stuffed it, and you had a stuffed animal. So this is a little elephant. And this one is showing its age. It's got some, actually, I think that's an eyebrow or something. But there are some places on it where it's just, I'm not even sure what that is or why that happens, but it's not rust, I'm pretty sure. But again, in great shape. Who knew? I don't even, oh, here's where I stitched it shut. Oh my gosh. The early days of our sewing journey, especially for me when I was a kid. So those were kind of some surprises. So that's Friday Sews. Let me know what you're up to this weekend, if you're going to do any sewing. I've got 2 dresses that I need to hem, and I've got, I got a hold of this dress. Oh wait, this is not the dress. This is the scraps. This is the dress that I finished for my daughter, but I didn't hem it. And now she has decided that instead of just hemming it, she wants to have a ruffle at the bottom. And so I was scrambling for enough scraps to be able to do that. And I ended up ordering another couple of yards of fabric, but this is the dress. A couple more yards of that, and their birthday, the twins' birthday, is coming up on the 23rd. And Emma is flying in on the 21st, which is next Friday. So I'm hoping that the fabric will get here in time for me to just throw that ruffle on here, which is going to make hemming it so much easier, because all of this back gathering, oh my gosh, trying to get this pinned up for a hem was a nightmare, because the fabric is, you know, there's so much. You can see how many folds there are there. So I was kind of, yeah. Anyway, so I've got all that to do. We'll see if I can do it this weekend. Let me know what you're up to. And if you, as always, check out all the Friday Sewers. Just look at either the hashtag or just put Friday Sews up in the search bar in YouTube, and you can find lots of them. And if you would like to see a playlist of all of my Friday Sews, there are a lot of them, you can just click right over here, and I will see you next time. God bless you, and don't forget the one who loves you most. Thanks for watching.